Is your HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E displaying the annoying paper jam message? Don't worry, this is a common issue that's usually easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to inspect and remove stuck paper, and you'll have your printer running smoothly again in no time. If you need extra help, call the numbers on the screen. Now let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, while your printer is turned on, open the front door and the cartridge access door to access the inside of the printer. Now, take a good look inside and check carefully for any stuck paper. Look in all nooks and crannies where paper might be caught. Next, pull out the paper path cover. This is a removable panel inside the printer that gives you access to the paper path area. Check for any paper jams inside the paper path, and if you find any stuck paper, gently pull it out. Be very careful not to tear the paper because small pieces left behind can cause more jams later. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.